good evening, welcome to RC Overdose. This is Dev coming to you. And today I have numerous videos about these RCs on my channel. I think I have about more than 100 videos just for the Luctan. And I get a lot of different comments. Some people want to increase the speed, some people want to increase the runtime, and some people just, want to talk bad things about it because they don't like it. Now for me, I started my hobby with a Luctan. I learned how to fix it, I bashed it, I learned how to fix it, and slowly as time went by, I got into the hobby, I bought different Traxxas RCs, and now I'm at a point where I can fix the RCs that I own, and that's how you learn. So the Luctan was a good base for me to start from. If you bash it, if you break it, you gotta fix it. That's it. That's the part of hobby. And that's what RCs are all about. So the S912 Luctan and the S911 Foxx, they both have a lot of similarities. The only thing that's different is the tires and the body shell. And those do change a lot of physics in the car. That's the S912 Luctan, and that's the S911 Foxx. Now I want to make this RC look like that. So let's get into some more details of what you're going to need. You're going to need two tools. Then you're going to need the body shell holders. And the third thing is the spoiler kit for the S912 Luctan. And the last part is a body shell of your choice. And you're also going to need some S912 Luctan tires. So you can purchase a kit. The name of the kit is a DIY kit. And it'll say the S912 Luctan to S911 Foxx or vice versa. So, and that kit costs about $30 Canadian. But if you think about it, you're going to have a whole different RC. So let's get into that today. So first of all, I'm going to remove the tires from the RC. So you're going to use that key and twist it anti-clockwise. And okay, so all the tires are out. I'm going to take a small screwdriver. Now there's two screws down here that hold the tall body shell holder here for the S911 Foxx, and we're going to take that out. So it's pretty simple. You just twist the two screws and take them out and pull out the body shell. And you're going to do the same on both sides. These two screws right here. These are the two tall body shell holders for the S911. They're out now. Now I'm going to be installing the ones that are for the S912 Luctan. So you simply put it in here like that and screw it back. And I'm going to do that on both the sides. So the next thing I'm going to do is install the tires. All the tires are installed on this bad boy. Now the next thing that we're going to do is install the spoiler. Now that's a pretty simple process. There's two screws on top here that will go in from this side and attach it together. The spoiler will go back in here, and there's a spot in the back here for the spoiler. There's four screws that will go here, and then you install the screws from the front. Alright guys, so all the four screws are installed, the spoiler is installed, the wheels are installed, the body shell holders is installed, and now you can put in a body shell of your choice. This is my custom made body shell, and I'm going to put this one in today. Alright, so there you go. So that's the S912 Luctan now. There's these two Luctans here, and they look pretty good to me. People who don't like these RCs, those people probably are really ahead in the hobby, they know a lot in the hobby and stuff like that, and they think that this is not something they want right now. But this is a beginner level RC. This is for someone who never had an RC and want to buy one and learn from it. This was my first RC and I learned it from the Luctan. This was my base. And once I learned how to fix the Luctan, I got into the Traxxas RCs, and that's how I explored the hobby. So anybody can talk shit, but really it takes a real RC enthusiast to come fix this stuff when you break it. So from my point of view, I enjoy these RCs. They're not bash approved at all, but they're really good to drive around and play tag games and whatnot. And thanks a lot for tuning in RC Overdose. I hope you enjoyed the video. And you can also visit my Facebook page, facebook.com/RC Overdose/ for updates. Have a great day guys. Peace.